Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little bit of sprucing up of my greenhouse. We've gotten a lot of rain here recently in New England. Some of the plastic has even been sort of lifted off, but it's not a big deal. I have some other plastic that I'm going to use to repair, and I'm also going to put some screening on the back window. I still haven't yet built my door, but that's coming soon. But I also want to show you all the process of me building some shelving out of a pallet that I have, a new pallet that I picked up off the street. And yeah, hope you keep watching. Thanks. All right, y'all. So I have put the screen on. I'm gonna put some tape to reinforce it because we need to get some air circulating here. Sometimes it gets too hot. I have a couple hours before the sun sets, and I want to try to get as much done as possible so I can move the seedlings outside. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is reinforce the, the plastic, the shelving right now here after I cut the pallet in half. So I have the pallet cut in half. I'm going to use this one section to start the table that I want to build on the inside. Okay, so show you what I've gotten done. So I put some screen here and here. I'm going to tape it up to just make it more secure. And I have the screen in here because it gets way too hot. So I think that will help with the circulation. I tied it up a bit. Tomorrow, it's the sun is setting, so I'm gonna have to get back to this tomorrow. But I have most of my pieces cut. I have a few pieces I need to cut. Moved a lot of stuff from out over here. Got some things, still have a little bit of trash to get rid of, but I feel like there's a whole lot more space in here. And so in the next part, you're going to see the table and my seedlings in here, everything tidied up. And the goal is to have a bed over here. That is the goal. But for now, I'm just going to keep my plastic door here. And maybe I won't need to build a screen door because I have this air, because the purpose of the screen door was really to get the air circulating. So this might serve its function. Okay, so I got what's going to be my legs cut. Some of these 2x4s I already had. This came from a pallet, and I got the pallets cut. And well, I don't know. I have to take this apart at some point, but this might also become a part of the build. But yeah, I have everything cut, so now I just need to assemble it. Gonna have heavy stuff on it, but this is kind of like what it's looking like for now. I definitely don't want it to be wobbly like this, and that could very well be I need to just dig a little deeper trench under there so that it's more level. So I'll do that and see if that. This is day 2 of me trying to build some shelving, just more space so that I can bring the seedlings out because it is time to start putting them in the ground. But I still have some beds that I need to prepare, but I need to get them out of my basement. So the flies and all the other things are loving the greenhouse as well. So let's go. Okay, so this is what we have. Everything is stable because I screwed it into the back there. So not only are you getting a little tour of like my makeshift shelving area, you're also getting a little view of some of the seedlings. Many, like these are some starts I bought. The ends are what I bought, and everything else is what I started. And some are I'm gonna put them in the ground today. Like the corn is like ready, some of the squash is ready, some of my zinnias are ready. All the starts are ready to go in the ground. I just need to see how much sunlight I have. My slips, yeah, everything is ready to go. So yay, this is what it's looking. Oops. the doorway. This is what it's looking like. I'm still having to to clear this area out so I can build some beds in here to get some like cooler things started. And I don't know, that corner might just stay that way, or what I'll do is get some bins or something. I want to find a way to organize that. I'm gonna figure it out. I might even get another little pallet and create a little corner here for stuff, but I don't want to lose space. So I could always bring those in my garage, but what's the point of having it all the way over there when I can have it here? So I'll figure something out. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. And it was free. Well, maybe not the screws I paid for, but the shelving was free. Got a little zoom out moment. Yes. Hey y'all, I am pooped, but thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Yeah, it was a lot to get done over the last couple days, but it is done, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that you have watched up until this point. And if you could just give me a like, subscribe, and share with your folks, I would greatly appreciate it. I hope wherever you are that you're well, and I'll see you in the next video. Be well and peace.